Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. And now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing way that you can use cucumber to remove dark spots, have your skin looking fresh, young and effectively beautiful. Okay, so this is an awesome remedy, and this remedy is going to remove all of those dark spots on your face. Now I'm actually not using only cucumber, I'm using some other ingredients that would make this combo really effective. So let me take you right into the video. Okay, do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and also share. Rid of dark spots, you're going to be making use of cucumber. Now cucumber is a great remedy that works in removing age problems on the skin, and it also helps to remove dark spots. It helps to clear age spots and wrinkles. How we're going to do that we're going to be cutting just a little quantity of this, and then we're just going to be creating it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be sieving out the juice. So when you're creating cucumber, you don't need to put extra water because cucumber has a lot of juice. So here is the cucumber juice. And then we're going to be making use of turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a great and wonderful spice that is used for cooking and as such, and also it helps to remove blemishes on the skin. It has been used anciently to lighten up the complexion, and it also helps to remove dark spots and pimples. So what I'm going to do is to take half tablespoon of turmeric powder, and I'm going to stir this all up and make sure it mixes really well. Okay, so the next ingredient I'm going to be needing is baking soda. Now baking soda is a great exfoliating property that works in exfoliating the dead skin cells on the skin. It helps so much to rejuvenate the skin and makes the skin look younger, and it's also a great remedy that lightens up the skin. So it's going to lighten up all of the dark spots and make your skin look really glowing. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we'll stir that up, and it should be thicker, and the consistency here is perfect. Yeah. Now the last ingredient, which is very helpful and important here, is aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a natural and great remedy for the skin. It helps the skin glow, it repairs the skin blemishes, it helps to remove pimples and dark spots, and it also helps for wrinkles and as well as fine lines. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be taking just a little piece of this aloe vera, and then we're going to prepare it by removing the peel. Alright guys, so after that is done, we'll have to extract the aloe vera juice. So the way I extract my aloe vera juice is that I crate it on a grater, and then it's remove all of the gel for me. Look at that. And now this is my aloe vera gel. So this is the aloe vera gel. It's really slimy. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to turn this into the treatment, and then you would have to stir. So to make this better and to cut the sliminess, I'm going to be using my manual mixer. Okay, this would help to cut the sliminess of the aloe vera. So I'll have to mix it really good. Alright, so this is perfect. Look at that. The sliminess of the aloe vera has cut off, and it's a great remedy. Now for this, guys, you can actually use this every day. It's not going to go bad. Just store it in your refrigerator for at least 3 days, and when it's the 3rd day, you make a new one. Use this to scrub your skin, your face, and all of the dark spots will be gone. Alright guys, so this is the ingredients, and what I did is that you can see that this side is actually getting a little dry. I put it inside the refrigerator for it to be very chilled, and here the sliminess of the aloe vera is totally gone. It's no more there, but of course the aloe vera is working really well. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna get a brush, and then you're gonna apply this onto your skin. Alright, so okay guys, so after applying this generously onto your face, you would have to then scrub. Okay, now scrub this particular place in which you're experiencing pimples. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna be scrubbing here and here the more. Okay, so I scrub it in a circular motion. And scrub your forehead. Remember to scrub your nose, because there are usually white head and black heads around that side. Okay, it's very important to scrub your nose. Okay guys, so for this treatment, or rather for this dark spots remedy, you would have to at least use it, if you can, every day. And then immediately you're done scrubbing, then you just go wash off your face, and all of the dark spots will be gone, and your face would actually be rejuvenated and really smooth. Okay, so there are usually white heads and black head around here. So scrub it, and then you can store this ingredient for at least 3 to 4 days into a refrigerator, and it stays there. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go wash this off, and I'll be right back. So that's it guys. This is actually very helpful, very it will make your skin look smooth and feel smooth. and also removing all of those darkness and dark patches. So go give this a try, and I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and bye guys.